Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for event ticket management. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get cracking. The first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Simply click on Add a Base and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is because we want a clean slate to work with, making sure our ticket management system is tailored specifically to our event. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating our tables. You'll need three main tables: events, tickets, and attendees. The events table will contain all your event details. Tickets will track ticket sales, and attendees will store attendee information. This helps us because it allows us to organize and cross-reference information quickly and efficiently. Next, we're going to set up our fields within each table. In the events table, you might want fields like event name, date, and location. In tickets, consider fields like ticket type, price, and event. And in attendees, you'll need name, email, and ticket purchased. The reason we do this is to capture all the vital information we need to manage our event tickets effectively. Now let's link our tables together. For example, in the tickets table, the event field should link to the events table. And in the attendees table, the ticket purchased field should link to the tickets table. This is crucial because it allows us to create relationships between our tables, enabling us to see, for example, which attendees purchased which tickets for which events. Finally, we're going to use Airtable's automations feature. You can set up automations to send confirmation emails to ticket buyers, update ticket quantities, and more. This is a game changer because it saves us time and reduces the risk of errors in our ticket management process. So there you have it, folks, a simple yet effective way to use Airtable for event ticket management. Remember, the key is to keep your base organized and automate as much as possible to streamline your process. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in.